USP, unique selling proposition. When we talk about unique selling proposition, what I want to tell you is about uniqueness. Why people should choose you, why people should consider you. Many people for different positions, they go and compete, but only one person is going to be selected. So, what is unique in that person? Why they have chosen him instead of you? That is where the question should come about. Anybody in their life should understand their USPs. If you have your USP, the uniqueness, then there will be people who will be going to select you. Let us talk about as a just in society, as a person. I want to become the president of this society. I want to become the president of this apartments. I want to become the treasurer. Yes, do you have the unique quality? The particular quality which they will consider for being a president. For being a president, I should be able to communicate with people. I should try to go and convince. I should talk to these people. I should talk to the workers and I should make the work done. Do I have those kind of qualities? So these are the things which we have to consider. Being a treasurer, yes, I have to be keeping track of all the expenditures. I have to check how much money is left over, how much money should be spent for each and everything, where I can save, where I can just kind of bring out the more possibility of keeping aside some money for other aspects. So yes, these are the strengths a particular person should talk about and consider that do they have it or not. If you talk about your business, yes, business people, what is the uniqueness of your business? What is the uniqueness of you as a business person? Are the things that you have to consider. As a business person, am I good at communication? Am I good at presenting my product to my customers? Am I able to understand my customers? Do I understand what is their requirement? Yes, these are the things which we have to consider. Just selling the product isn't sufficient here. I have to just pitch the product, they have to take it. That is not right. How useful it will be for them is what you have to consider. You have to understand their needs. You have to understand how it will benefit them and then present it in such a manner that they surely will purchase it because it is going to help them, not you. As a business person, yes, I need the money, I need to sell the product. But what should be my unique qualities? Understanding of the customer's needs and then trying to pitch it as per the requirement. If you talk about a mobile phone, just think about the mobile phone. If I give you a mobile phone which is of a very basic model, only listening, then will you purchase it? Will you like it? No. We want the Android phones, we want the iPhones which are very expensive. Why is it necessary? What is the particular requirement that we are looking for at? We want many features, not one feature. We want as many features as possible within the range that I am looking for. So these are the things which we have to consider. Does it have the RAM? How much capacity does it have? How many megapixel does it have? All these are the things which I am going to consider even before I purchase a phone. So when we think of so many things, when the people want to purchase our product, when people want to look at us or think about us, they should see as many required qualities of ours as much as possible. If you are talking about a professional, just think of a lawyer. Being a professional as a lawyer, the lawyer should be very quick at grasping the points, very quick at projecting the right point before the judge, and he should be alert. He should listen, he should be a keen listener, he should be a keen observer, and he should be able to draft the things when it is a requirement for him. Do you have such kind of qualities? Don't think that if I go and speak, that is more than enough. Speaking isn't sufficient. Within how many minutes are you able to project it? Many people think that public speaking is very easy. Do you really think so? I don't think so. Speaking in front of the mic for lengthy hours of half an hour to 1 hour is not the right thing. Can you speak the points which you have thought in the specified time of 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 1 minute? That is what is called as the art of public speaking. If you talk about another profession, doctors. Yes, a doctor needs to communicate with his customers. Some, if you see many of the patients who go to the doctors, they say, I don't like this doctor. Why is it so? Because the doctor did not ask the right questions. Doctor did not consider their feelings. The doctor did not tell them what exactly is their problem. He did not communicate effectively, and he was just showed the thing of being not interested in the patient at all. Sometimes some doctors are like that, but some doctors beautifully, they speak in a very friendly manner. They make the patient very comfortable, and ultimately the patient comes out with all the problems and shares everything, even a minor thing also they share, because the doctor made it so. So do you have such kind of uniqueness in you, wherein you can make the customers or make the patients or whoever is your particular person in your business, can you make them to talk to you freely without any hesitation? Unique selling point. What is the uniqueness in you is what you have to develop. So this is the right time for you to think about it. Sit down and think about, what is the uniqueness in me? How can I develop it? If I don't have it, let me develop it. That should be the quality in a person. Just that doesn't say that you are born with it. Nobody is born with it. We are supposed to develop ourselves into a better person, into a better professional, into a better business person. One particular business person is successful, learn from them. Ratan Tata, you have Narayan Murthy, you have many other people. You have seen what are the particular things that they are doing. Have you ever tried to follow them? You just listen, they are very lucky and because of that only. No, there are some qualities that which we can also inculcate. So the uniqueness in it, build up your uniqueness, develop your uniqueness, and please make yourself unique. That is what I'm talking about, USP. Thank you very much.